Hey guys, it's Audrey from songsfromasuitcase.com, and today I'm going to give you my top 3 tips for how to hit a high note. Throughout today's session, I'm going to talk about the song Somewhere Over the Rainbow. I like to use this one as an example because the jump between the first note and the second note in the chorus is pretty gnarly, and it's a good way of showing you how to hit that high note. First thing you want to do is think of the note into your body. Sink it into your body. Now, most likely when you're hitting your high notes, you're thinking of the note jumping up. And it's so high and you have all this tension and you're like, oh my God, that's such a high note. I don't want you to do that. I want you to sit down into your high note. So you want to think of the high note going down. So we go somewhere over the rainbow. So it sits down into your body. The next thing you want to do is flare your nose and think of everything opening up on your high note. So instead of pushing or scrunching and trying to gut that note, I want you to flare it. Think of the big space, almost kind of give me the crazy look, and open up on that high note. Somewhere over, all the way open. So we've got the combo of opening up, sitting down into the body, and the last thing you need to do is open your mouth. There's no point in me telling you where to think and where to put your energy and where to put the resonance if you're not even opening your mouth. So open your mouth is my third trick to hitting a high note. If you need help with learning how to open your mouth, I made a video about it. Collectively, we have sit down, open up, and open up for somewhere over the rainbow. So it's nice and open and bright and happy. If you like this video, click like. Also be sure to subscribe, and I will see you at the next song. La la la.
So you want to sing better, huh? Get the same warm-ups I use every day. They're super simple and crazy effective. Oh, and they're free. Just go to freewarmups.com.